Today I'll be making gluten-free lasagna. This is a recipe for 3 people and I started by chopping 2 onions. And I chopped some garlic. And now I'm gonna season my minced meat. I chopped some parsley first and then I added salt. And I just seasoned to taste really, so you can choose how much you want to add. And then I added some black pepper and also some nutmeg, some chili flakes, and then I added the parsley, add 1 whole egg, and then I added some Italian cheese. I would have added more, but it was all I had and the stores were closed. And then I just mixed the meat well and stored it in the fridge. Chop 1 red bell pepper. And then I chopped 3 carrots. Heat the pan and then add some butter to it. And then I added some salt, some black pepper, and some paprika powder. Then you can add the vegetables to heat it better. I added some dried basil and some provincial herbs and stirred that. And then I added some yellow curry powder, some sweet cayenne pepper, and stirred it again. Adding a bit more butter. And I also added my favorite spice, which is the Thai curry spice. And you can add any more spices that you want. And then I made some space in my pan for the meat and added the meat. Okay, and now the preparation of the tomato sauce. Add a little bit of ginger and then 3 to 4 cans of tomato sauce. You can use chopped or passata. And then I added some spicy cayenne pepper and blended the sauce. Once it's blended, you can add it to the pan and then stir well. And then I added some fresh basil and closed the lid. And you want to let it simmer for 35 minutes. Stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. Then start with a thin layer of sauce. And then you can go and add the lasagna sheets on top of the sauce. And then you can continue making the lasagna layers. And then I added some cheese on top of my lasagna. And then I added my lasagna to a 180 degrees preheated oven, baked it for 25 minutes, and then took it out of the oven and covered it with aluminum foil and baked it for another 35 minutes. And then the lasagna was ready. It smelled so good and it was delicious.